Did you know that if you put 5 eggs into a small saucepan and bring them to the boil, they actually start to spin around in a clockwise direction? I didn't know that. So how do you take the shells off your eggs? I used to just put the eggs in a bowl, cover them with Glad wrap and just let them cool. I found it quite effective, but it takes a long time. So the quickest way I've found to do it is to actually put your eggs in a bowl of ice water. But wait, I haven't told you what we're going to do today. We're actually going to make a sandwich. We're going to make 2 sandwiches. And these are the ingredients that I'm putting together. So let's get back to those eggs and see how we went. My method is to tap the eggs, crack the shell all the way around and then clean them. They come up all right, what do you reckon? But let's get back to the prep for that sandwich. Cut up some chicken fillets. I'm going to fry them up, just slightly seasoned with a bit of salt and pepper. But wait, there's lettuce in this, so I've got to chop up some lettuce. Cost lettuce to be precise. I think I've got all the ingredients ready now. I've got to toast the bread so we can start assembling these sandwiches. Have you worked out what this sandwich is? So we got 2 pieces of toasted bread and we're going to spread some sauce on it. Now I can't tell you what the sauce is because that would give it away. Generous amount of Parmesan cheese. Then that chicken that we were frying earlier, we'll throw that on top and we'll even it out. Have you ever tried to use a knife to slice up an egg? That's why I use this gadget. It's an egg slicer. How cool and how much more efficient. And look how finely sliced they come up. I've had this egg slicer for years, but I'd forgotten that I'd even had one. Lucky I found it the other day in the cupboard. But have you worked out what the sandwich is yet? We're going to add some bacon. So do you remember that cost lettuce I chopped up earlier? That should help give it away. We're going to put that toast back on top. And some more spread. Some more spread of that Caesar sauce. Flip those toasts around. We want the sauce to face the cost lettuce. Now let's cut this thing up. What do you reckon of the cross section? Does it look all right? Give it a bit of a squash. How does that look? Now would you eat that? So all this preparation was for a short video. Frying up all that bacon and the chicken. Now you can see that there's quite a bit of work that goes on behind the scenes. All this preparation for a sandwich video, for a video that you're only going to see 15 seconds of. But the thing is, I really enjoy making the videos, so I'm going to keep making them. So in the comments below, let me know if you enjoyed this video. So while I've got you here, I'll make a deal with you. If any of my videos make you smile, you have to subscribe. And I nearly forgot, it's a chicken Caesar salad sandwich that we made.